Want to stay on top of your meetings without leaving Slack? Integrating Google Calendar with Slack lets you get reminders, join calls, and even manage events right inside your workspace. Here's how to activate it. First, open Slack and click on Apps in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and select the official integration. Click Add to Slack, and it will redirect you to authorize your Google account. Once you connect your Google account, Slack will ask for permission to access your calendar. Accept the permissions, and the integration will be added to your workspace. From there, you can set preferences like which calendar to sync, event to get event reminders, and whether to show your status as in the meeting automatically. You can also type /gcal in any Slack chat to view your upcoming schedule or get quick links to join meetings. It's a great way to streamline your day without toggling between tabs. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now fully integrated with Slack, helping you stay organized and on time with less effort. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop a comment if you want to explore more Slack integrations for your daily workflow.